Okay, so we've got these wonderful little devices. These are called Cooyoo, Cooyoo. These are little harness. They have snap ring that snaps onto the D link or the D ring or the metal ring on the back of the dog's harness, and then the other end is just a small metal bracket, and it clicks right into a spare seat belt or an unused seat belt. So, oh, and this was an Amazon purchase. New upgraded seat belt, Cooyoo dog seat belt, provides a safe travel for you and your lovely pet. Uh, so it was a Scamzon 2-pack portable or adjustable car harness for dogs. So it's not actually a harness as they said, but it is. Oh, down there in the door is that you can see that little purple loop. It is a collapsible water dog. Uh, it is a collapsible rubberized dish for water. For water. So if you buy a 2-pack from those people, well, I did. I bought 3 of them. So two, and two, because right now we have 3 vehicles. One's a kind of older junk vehicle, but the other 2 are like this Silverado here, all nice. And so I put one of these packs in the 2 vehicles, and the 3rd pack is still in our house. We haven't used it yet, but anyway, yeah. And I was told we were coming to the closest city to us, well, Mobridge, where we always shop or might eat something or see what everyone else does. That's the closest little big town to us. So, and I was showering when I heard the phone ring at my house. So, but I missed it, so I had to call back. And then I threw my contact lenses in, which is what I'm currently wearing, and yeah, here we are. So I drove for Mom. All right, Cooyoo. That's the name of the brand of dog seat belt.